Good day everyone, I'm Joshua Clement and this is Problems with Painting Vinyl. Now a lot of times people want to change the color of their house or put a coat over top of their flooring. A lot of stuff are made out of vinyl. You have vinyl trim, vinyl siding, vinyl roofing. They do have a special paint that you can buy for your vinyl. But a lot of times it just doesn't work because your vinyl is so dirty. Here we have two different types of vinyl. This one here is a vinyl peel and stick tile. This one is a soffit which goes on the outside and matches your siding. Now if you try to paint this, what's going to happen is the paint is going to pool up because of the shiny coat they put over top of it to protect the tile. With the floors you have very heavy foot traffic, and since the material is so soft, it doesn't like to stick to the paint, so you'll have a lot of problems trying to paint a vinyl floor. When the soffit and siding is installed on the outside of the house, over time it builds up a chalky film over the top of it, which is the color being pulled out of the soffit being baked by the sun. So if you try to paint that, what's going to happen is you're going to have a bunch of runs, a bunch of chalky spots that are going to end up peeling off. You can go through and power wash it, scrub it, try to get as much of that chalk off as possible. You might also want to put on a primer. The primer is going to help stick to the vinyl so that way you can paint it. But it also depends on what type of vinyl siding that you buy. Some vinyl siding just won't hold on to the paint. It'll pool up and look really weird. No matter how much paint you put on it, it's always going to look a little funny because the paint's going to congregate to itself and be forced off of the vinyl. There are certain ways that you can paint your vinyl. What I recommend is contacting the manufacturer of your vinyl and see if they allow it to be painted. Otherwise, it might void your warranty. Thank you all for watching, and good luck with this project.